In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get free domain and hosting for your WordPress website. This domain and hosting is free for lifetime with 99.9% of uptime. I will walk you through every step that how to get this free domain and hosting and then how to install WordPress on it. Before we get started with this video, have a look at my channel here. There I have a number of videos related to WordPress website tutorial. Make sure to keep watching this entire video till the end to never miss a thing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon as well. So without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you have to do is to open a new tab, and then in the new tab search for infinityfree.net. This website will get open, and then from this website what you will have to do is to click on this free hosting and then click on sign up now. From here you will have to fill out these details. So I'll fill out these details quickly. Make sure to check mark this I have read and agree the terms of services, and then click on sign up. Once you will click on sign up, they'll send you a confirmation email. So go back to your email and check your email. Right here you can see here is the email. Click on verify email address, and here your email will get verified here. Now what you will have to do is to click here that says create an account now. From here you will have to choose two options. Either you can use subdomain or you can use custom domain. If you have bought your domain from any other company, you can insert your domain here, but in our case we'll be using the subdomain. So I'll search for website name, I'll search for Infinity Website Graphics, and then choose a subdomain. You have multiple subdomains available here. You can choose infinityfreeapp.com or .epizi.com.rf.gd or .lovestoblog.com. I'll choose .epizi.com, and then I'll click on check availability. Once you will click on check availability, it will give you this notification whether the domain that you have entered is available or not. The domain that I have entered is available, so we can move to next step, that is to enter the additional information. So right here you can see the website for account label and then the account username. They are automatically created. We only have to insert the account password. So I'll insert a password here. And then right here you can see we can click on open control panel. So click on open control panel here. It will redirect you to the control panel, and then from here click on I approve. So once you click on I approve, the C panel will get loaded. Once the C panel will get loaded, from here what you will have to do is to scroll all the way down and then click on Softaculous App Installer. So once you will click on Softaculous App Installer, it will start getting loaded. You will have to wait, and right here you can see we have this option WordPress. So you can either choose Joomla, Abentecart, PHP BB, SMF, and all the other different kind of CMS that are available. We are working on WordPress, so I'll click on WordPress. Sometimes it says that error loading child field. Simply refresh and it will go away, and then click on install button here. Right here you will see your domain that you have entered, and right here you have the option to choose between the different kind of version. Just choose the HTTP for now, and right here you will have to fill out some of these details. So I'll simply fill out these details quickly. I'll hide the password and then I'll insert a password here that we will use to log into our WordPress dashboard. And after that click on install. Once you will click install, it will start getting installed, and then you will only have to wait until the WordPress will get installed. So right here you can see our WordPress is installed. So if I open our domain in a new tab, you can see for now it is not working. So right here you can see that I have received this email, and it includes all the information regarding my account, the username, password, the label, and the domain for this website. Right here you can see it says please note that it take up to 72 hours for your domain name to start working. So the reason why our domain is not working because the DNS are not propagated yet. So you will only have to wait. It might take few hours until the WordPress that we have installed will start working. So in this way, you can install the WordPress on this free hosting, and it is completely free for lifetime. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.